This is meteorologist Todd Shea with an update on our severe weather potential on Thursday, June the 11th. Our threat for heavy rain and subsequent flooding has shifted a bit south from yesterday and even this morning's briefing, now centered more on northeast Iowa into parts of central and southwest Wisconsin. Other severe weather hazards like hail, damaging wind, and maybe even a few tornadoes, that risk is shifted a little bit further south as well, maybe closer to Interstate 80 over parts of Iowa and into Illinois. The excessive rainfall confidence for today is dropped to a medium level with that shift in location of the heavy rain, kind of centered on parts of Iowa into Wisconsin mainly, with extreme southeastern Minnesota. The flash flood watches do continue for much of the area though, again continuing from parts of southwest into northeast Iowa, across parts of southeastern Minnesota and into Wisconsin. Expected rainfall, again that axis shifted a little bit further to the south. Amounts might not be quite as extreme as well, maybe a 2 to 3 inch corridor from areas like Ames, Iowa through Mason City, Charles City up into parts of central and western Wisconsin, with lighter amounts on either side of that. The other severe weather hazards like hail, wind, and tornadoes threat, again, are kind of focused on parts of eastern and southern Iowa into northern Illinois, but there still is that slight risk that a few stronger storms later this afternoon could move into parts of northeastern Iowa and southern Wisconsin with a hail and damaging wind threat. So again, the possible impacts today, we still need to be watching out for excessive rainfall, especially later this afternoon and into tonight. Repeat rounds of rain could lead to some flash flooding, mudslides, and possibly a few road closures. Quick rises in area rivers are expected, especially south of Interstate 90. Another thunderstorm risk is possible again Saturday night. That could bring some more rain as well. Once again, to summarize, heavy rain threat and subsequent flooding is still a potential over parts of the region. Northeastern Iowa into western and southwest Wisconsin especially. The other hazards with severe thunderstorm, that risk has shifted a little bit further south.